Thanks for joining this Hitch Trailers tutorial. This 77x16 utility trailer is made by Tiger. It has a 3x2 by 3/16 frame and cross members, 3x2 uprights, 4-inch full wrap tongue, 2 7/8 pipe top, 3,500 pound axles, 2-inch bulldog style coupler, wiring and LED lights, ST205 75R15 5x5 silver mods, 2,000 pound setback jack, safety chains, 4-way flat plug, diamond plate fenders, 2-inch treated lumber floors. You can get it with a rear ramp or with slide-in ramps. Call Hitch at 918-286-7900 for any trailer questions, or log on to 918 Trailers to check out our inventory. We've been serving Tulsa, Oklahoma with superior trailer sales and service since 2011. Find out why we want to be your trailer shop. Thanks for joining us.